Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Confirm the app and OS are updated so settings behave predictably. Once done, backup locked chats and make sure you remember the PIN or passcode. Now open the app and navigate directly to chat lock. Authenticate with your fingerprint so you can access biometric options. You do this to avoid lockouts. After authentication, locate the biometric or fingerprint toggle. This is where you begin the removal process. Once inside chat lock settings, find the biometric unlock or fingerprint entry and tap to manage it. You should see an option to disable or remove. Turn the fingerprint toggle off and re-enter your PIN when prompted to confirm. This keeps the app secure. If the app refuses removal, make sure to also open your device settings, then biometrics, and delete the stored fingerprint there. Doing both ensures the app won't re-register the sensor automatically. To finish, restart the app and then attempt to open chat lock using your PIN or passcode only. This verifies removal. If the fingerprint prompt still appears, clear the app cache and test again. Only reinstall the app when necessary because that may disrupt backups. If problems persist, a quick workaround is to re-add a fingerprint in device settings and then remove it again. Sometimes that forces the app to update. And if nothing works, reset device biometrics as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.